In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images to Microsoft Copilot. If you find this information useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right into it. Firstly, let's set the stage for what Microsoft Copilot is. Think of it as your work assistant. It leverages the power of artificial intelligence to help you navigate through the challenges of your projects. One of the key features is its ability to process and respond to images you upload. So whether you're collaborating with a team or streamlining your workflow, knowing how to upload images effectively will enhance your experience. Now, when you're ready to upload an image to Microsoft Copilot, the first thing you'll want to do is ensure that you have the image saved on your device. This could be a screenshot, a photo, or any visual you want to incorporate into your work. So make sure it's easily accessible, either on your desktop or in a designated folder where you store your work files. Once you have the image ready, the next step is to open Microsoft Copilot. This can typically be found integrated within applications like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, depending on the Microsoft 365 tools you're using. Go ahead and open one of these applications. If you're not already signed into your Microsoft account, you'll want to do that now. Remember, accessing Copilot requires you to be logged in, so make sure you've got your credentials handy. Now, once you have one of these applications open, look for the Copilot icon. It's often represented by a small visual or an assistant-like symbol, usually located on the toolbar. Click on that icon, and you'll see a panel or a pop-up appear on the side of your screen. This is where the magic happens. Within this Copilot panel, you will notice various options related to the features you can access. This is also where you can upload your image. Look for an option that says something like Upload Image or Insert Image. The wording may slightly vary, but it's fairly straightforward. Once you see that option, click on it. A File Explorer window will open, allowing you to navigate through your device. This window will show you all the directories and files you have stored. Simply find the folder containing the image you wish to upload. When you locate the right file, select it and click Open. Voila! Your image is now uploaded to Microsoft Copilot. But wait, there's more. Once your image is uploaded, you can interact with it in various ways. Copilot allows you to analyze the image, generate text based on what's depicted in it, or even create presentations that include content about the image. It essentially turns that static image into something dynamic and interactive. Now, if you're working as part of a team, everyone who has access to the document or file will be able to see the image you've uploaded. This collaborative element is particularly beneficial for discussing projects or gathering feedback. Similarly, if you need to search for images previously uploaded, Copilot can help streamline that process as well. So whether you're uploading an infographic, a chart, or even a simple photo, remember these steps. Prepare your image, open Microsoft Copilot within the application you're using, find the upload option, navigate to your image, and select it. In just a few moments, you'll have that image seamlessly integrated into your project, ready for collaboration or analysis. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to upload images to Microsoft Copilot. As we wrap up, I encourage you to practice this a couple of times, as it's a really handy feature that can save you time and improve your productivity. And if you loved learning this today, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and happy uploading!